Hello and welcome to my 18th LEGO Skyscraper City update. Today we are building a spectacular hotel that will be located in the corner of the city. On the ground floor, there is a lobby where hotel guests can check in and enjoy a drink around a beautiful water fountain. Curious about how I made this fountain? At the end of the video, I'll show you in a short tutorial. Let's start with building the exterior. The building has a round shape and is constructed from light blue transparent bricks combined with light gray bricks. The ground floor consists of glass walls and two entrance doors located between light gray masonry bricks. This distinguishes the ground floor from the other floors. The wall between the ground floor and the rest of the building is made of a white color to highlight the distinction between the two parts. You can clearly see in the footage how I use connectors to link the windows together, which ensures the building's stability. The windows of the floors are made from 1x2 light blue transparent bricks. In between, I use light gray bricks, so the floors are clearly visible. Let's take a moment to look at how I made the first floors before we continue with the interior and a pleasant surprise. While shopping at my local LEGO store, the light blue transparent 1x2 bricks were back in stock. This means an expansion of the hotel. So stay tuned to see how this building reaches new heights. Now that we have built the top floors, this is the result so far. In my opinion, the building fits perfectly with the other buildings. The light blue and gray bricks give the city a fresh look. When the building was finished, I strongly felt that it needed to be taller. Many of the other buildings have also been raised recently, making the hotel look a bit small compared to the other towers in the city. So, let's keep building. Do you think this is a good choice? Let me know in the comments. Okay guys, now the building is really going up, so stay tuned! now almost reached the highest point of the building and can soon start on the roof. The structure is made up of approximately 4,000 Lego bricks and would cost about €700 if all the parts were ordered from lego.com. Luckily, I was able to buy many pieces from the pick-a-brick wall, which reduced my cost to just €200. At the end of this video, a video will appear showing you how to get the most out of your pick-a-brick wall to save money, so be sure not to miss it. And now, let's move on to the final part of the video that we've all been waiting for. We're finishing up the top floors and then starting on the roof structure. Initially, the roof couldn't be removed from the rest of the building, but that turned out to be impractical. If something needs to be repaired in the structure, you want to be able to easily remove the roof. The stability of the building depends on the angles I use to connect all the walls together. Additionally, every 5 layers, I use connectors to link the rounded sections, which also ensures stability. I finished the top floors with tiles, so that only a few attachment points remain. The roof is finished with white tiles and 3 large ventilation grills. Of course, there is also an antenna so that the building remains visible to airplanes. Now we can see how tall the building has become. In my opinion, the expansion was a good idea. Before we place the hotel in the city, we'll finish the surroundings with grass, plants, flowers, and a few trees. This will give the hotel's surroundings extra charm. Let's take a moment to see how I did this before we look at the final result. And believe me, you don't want to miss it. Isn't the result stunning? I'm curious about your opinion, so leave it in the comments. Want to know how I made the water fountain or how to save money when buying Lego? Check out one of these videos where I explain it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates. In my next video, we'll be building a complete hospital, including the interior. It's going to be the biggest project yet, so I'll see you then.